What's up guys, this is Masi, welcome to my channel. In the last video I was talking about amphoteric substances and I mentioned water is the most common amphoteric substance. So as you see here we have water. Water can act as an acid or a base, and when water molecules lose proton and gain proton at the same time, we call it auto-ionization of water. So as you see here in this reaction, we have H2O plus H2O gives us hydronium, H3O plus, and hydroxide ion. So the first water molecule acts as a acid, the other one is base. The first one gains proton, the second one loses proton. So that's why it becomes H3O plus and OH minus, which is the conjugate acid and base. And you will see their structure in the bottom. So if you want to write the auto-ionization reaction for water, we have two water molecule, liquid phase results in H3O plus, aqueous phase, and hydroxide ion, aqueous phase. So after reaction, we have one hydronium ion and one hydroxide ion. So in case of pure water, the concentration of hydronium ion and the concentration of hydroxide ion, OH and H3O plus, has to be the same. So in pure water. So that's why we define the multiplication of hydronium ion and hydroxide ion as Kw, which is called equilibrium constant for auto-ionization of water, Kw. W stands for water. So H3O plus times OH minus, or we can say hydronium ion concentration and hydroxide ion concentration. So Kw called the ion product or the dissociation constant for water. Always refer to the auto-ionization of water. So let's see what is the concentration of each of these ions. So in pure water at 25 degrees Celsius, the concentration of hydronium ion and hydroxide ion are constant. They are the same and equal, which is equal to 1.0 times 10 to the power of negative 7. So the concentration of each of them is 10 to the power of negative 7 mole per liter. So when you multiply them, it's going to be 1 times 10 to the power of negative 14. So whenever somebody asks you, what is Kw at 25 degrees, you can say that is 10 to the power of negative 14. So in pure condition, the concentration of hydronium ion and hydroxide ion is equal, and it equals to 10 to the power of negative 7, and when you multiply them, it's going to be 10 to the power of negative 14. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you found it useful, please like this video. And you can also subscribe to this channel. You can find out lots of videos regarding chemistry and math. Thank you and have a great day.